How to get glowing and bright skin naturally. Green tea mask for glowing skin. The glow on your skin helps to enhance the natural beauty of your face. If your skin is dull, you look ill, and also, it seems that your skin is dead. This is because of various factors such as poor skin care, lack of nourishment, and hormonal issues. What to use to make your skin naturally bright and glowing? For this, there is no need to visit beauty salons and spend a lot of money. Here, I have brought a magical remedy for you. Below, I am going to share with you the recipe to make 100% effective green tea mask for glowing skin. This mask works for all skin types, and gives surprising results fast without any skin damage. For this remedy to add natural glow to your skin, the ingredients you need are: Ingredients: green tea bags, 2. Water. Tragacanth gum. Mint leaves. Procedure: take 2 green tea bags, and place them in warm water. Now, open the bags, and in it, add tragacanth gum. Keep the gum soaked in water before using it. Next, add mint leaves to this bowl. After this, mix all the ingredients, and you will get green tea mask for glowing skin ready for use. How to use: take this mask, and apply it to your skin. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. For the best results, use it on a daily basis. This homemade green tea mask for glowing skin is the best choice for the skin of all of you. This pack is natural, and you can make it easily at home. For this, you need only a few ingredients readily available in your kitchen. Make and use this homemade natural face mask if your skin is dull and you want to have glowing skin.